hello and welcome back to my channel Suhani's Roost. आज की video is very different from what I usually do. Today I'll be reviewing a cosmetic brand. आज तक मैंने कोई सा भी cosmetic brand review नहीं किया है. I have reviewed a lot of skincare brands, a lot of clothing brands, but never ever did I review a cosmetic brand. Today I'll be reviewing शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स के कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने खरीदे हैं जो कि अभी मेरे पास हैं एंड आई विल बी रिव्यूइंग दोज प्रोडक्ट्स एंड आई विल बी टेलिंग यू हाउ इट वर्कड फॉर मी एंड वेदर यू शुड इन्वेस्ट योर मनी इन इट और नॉट. एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. First of all, I bought these products from Amazon and I'll definitely try to attach the links in the description. I got these products in these sort of boxes. These boxes are packed into Amazon packaging. जो बाहर उसका प्लास्टिक रैप आता है उसमें था एंड अंदर मुझे इस टाइप के बॉक्सेस मिले थे. मैंने टोटल 3 प्रोडक्ट्स ऑर्डर किए थे तो मुझे 3 बॉक्सेस मिले थे. एक बॉक्स आई थिंक आई हैव थ्रोन इट अवे समवेयर, तो मैंने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स इन्हीं में डाल रखे हैं. Okay, so let's begin with the very first product and let's see whether it's worth it or not. So the first product that I bought is this. This one is Born to Wing Gel Eyeliner. The shade is 01 Black Magic Women and ये वाला मैंने I guess 539 rupees का लिया है. I paid 539 rupees for this and yeah, MRP of this product is 599, 600 actually. And this is how the product looks like. It says Sugar Born to Wing Gel Eyeliner and again the shade, and इसके नीचे बाकी सारी details available है. The manufacturing date, the expiry date and the MRP of the product is mentioned below the bottle. Now when you open it, this is how it looks like. It's a very tiny bottle and it looks like this from inside and the cap is somewhat like this. Now this one comes with a brush. You just have to pull and you'll get the brush over here. Talking about the product, I actually used it for the first time today. इससे पहले जब ये प्रोडक्ट मेरे पास आया था तो मैंने एक बार इसका एक स्वॉश किया था on my hand and it did not smudge. तो smudge proof तो ये definitely है. And this is how it's looking right now. I have actually applied it on my eye right now. I'm very bad at applying eyeliners, so please don't judge me on that. But yeah, this is how it looks. The product is very pigmented. एक stroke में बहुत अच्छा ये coverage देता है. I'll show you a little demo. I'll take some product and here I'll apply it on my hand. You can see. Just in one stroke it gives such a beautiful pigment. बहुत अच्छा पिगमेंट है प्रोडक्ट का एंड आई डेफिनेटली फील दैट इट इज़ वर्थ द प्राइस, क्योंकि मार्केट में अगर आप जाओगे आपको किसी लोकल ब्रांड का भी इस टाइप का जेल आईलाइनर आराम से 500 रुपीज़ का मिलेगा एंड दिस वन इज़ फॉर 539 ऑन Amazon. सो आई टोटली फील दैट इट्स वर्थ इट. The pigment is over here, you can see, and I just applied one stroke. एक stroke से ज़्यादा मैंने apply नहीं किया है and in one stroke it gives such a beautiful pigment. For the brush, I would say that brush जो है थोड़ा सा flat है. It's not a sharp pointed brush. It's a bit flat brush. Let me show you. This is the brush. So brush को use करने के लिए you need a bit of practice. Otherwise, this product is a total yes from my side. Although it looks small, but pigment इतना अच्छा है. This will easily last you for a long time. Okay, so now let's move on to the second product. The second product that I bought is this. This one is Ace of Face foundation stick. The shade that I bought is 52 Coreto. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, it's written Coreto. The MRP of this product is 999 rupees, which is approx 1000, and I got it for 899 rupees because there was some sort of discount going on. So I got it for 899 rupees. This is how it looks like. And I feel most of the products from Sugar Cosmetics have this sort of packaging. Now with this foundation, I have this brush over here. ये प्रोडक्ट मैंने इसलिए खरीदा था क्योंकि आई फेल्ट दैट कि अगर फाउंडेशन अच्छा नहीं भी हुआ तो आई हैव द ब्रश, सो इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन. ये सोच के मैंने खरीदा था. बट व्हेन आई रिसीव्ड इट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी शो यू द प्रोडक्ट. I ordered a wrong shade. मतलब आई डोंट नो, मेरे से शेड देखने में गलती हुई या फिर वहाँ पे पिक्चर में कलर थोड़ा ब्राइट लग रहा था, बट दिस इज नॉट माई शेड, सो आई डिसाइडेड टू यूज इट एज अ कॉन्टोर स्टिक instead. Let me show you a swatch basically. So yeah, this is the swatch. If you see the swatch on my hand is tanned right now, तो हाथ के लिए it is perfectly fine, but on face it is very dark and it's not matching my complexion at all. So now for this one I decided to use it as a contour stick instead, but the problem is that ये फाउंडेशन अच्छे से ब्लेंड नहीं होता है. इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू ब्लेंड इट. आई डोंट नो हाउ एम आई सपोज टू ब्लेंड इट एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ pisses me off. Yeah, this is how it works and I don't know if you people can see or not. I can see that it hasn't blended well. अच्छी blending नहीं है. But yeah, the brush is very soft. If you are comfortable using a brush instead of a beauty blender, then you can definitely work it out some way. Because I am not used to brushes and ऊपर से this brush is not blending that well. So I don't think I'll be using it. But yes, this is the final result. क्योंकि ये फाउंडेशन मेरे कॉम्प्लेक्शन का नहीं है, what is happening is that जब मैं इसको यूज कर रही हूँ तो ये पैचीनेस क्रिएट कर रहा है. इवन इफ आई यूज इट एज अ कॉन्टोर स्टिक, ये पूरे अच्छे से ब्लेंड नहीं होता है. अगर मैं इतनी रीजन में इसको यूज कर रही हूँ तो वो अलग से हाईलाइट होगा कि आई हैव यूज्ड समथिंग डिफरेंट ओवर है. इंस्टेड ऑफ ब्लेंडिंग इन विद द अदर शेड्स इट विल पॉप आउट डिफरेंट, मतलब बिल्कुल अलग से लाइन एंड स्ट्रोक्स नजर आएंगे. So yeah, this foundation stick is a total no from my side. I feel 1000 के range में you can get superb foundations from other brands and even from Sugar Cosmetics. I think any other foundation will work better than this one. I didn't like it. This one was a fail from my side. The last but my favorite product is this one. Now this is a lipstick. The name of this lipstick is Matte Attack. This one is transfer proof lipstick and it is in the shade 10 Deep Peach Mode. Now when I talk about the shade, I truly love it. This one is the same shade that I'm wearing right now and I am absolutely in love with this shade specifically. The price of this lipstick is 699 rupees, which is 700 rupees, and I feel 700 isn't much affordable price, but it's not highly priced as well. It comes in somewhere in between, so it's very creamy, applies smoothly. Shade is this one, the one I'm wearing right now. This is the same shade. So this is the packaging. First of all, the packaging is in matte finish and it has this good velvet sort of texture. I like it. I like the packaging. Then when you open it, you'll have the lipstick somewhat like this. Let me show you a swatch of the lipstick. This is the shade. It's such a beautiful shade. You can try 10 Deep Peach Mode from Sugar Cosmetics. It is a go-to lipstick and I absolutely love it. This is the shade. Because I'm wearing it right now, let's do the transfer test here itself. I'm gonna try to transfer it on my hand and if it transfers then it fails, and if it does not transfer then it's a win-win situation. So see, it's clean. It does not transfer easily. टोटल ट्रांसफर प्रूफ तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं बोलूंगी क्योंकि ऐसा मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी क्रीम लिपस्टिक में स्पेशली आपको ऐसा कुछ मिलेगा जो बिल्कुल ट्रांसफर ना होता हो, बट इट वुड ट्रांसफर इजीली एंड आई थिंक दैट इज अ गुड थिंग. दैट इज मोर देन इनफ. So yeah, this is my favorite from Sugar Cosmetics so far and I definitely recommend this one. The liner is the best part out of these because this one is so pigmented. मैंने एक हल्का सा stroke किया था and उसमें it gave me such a good pigment, and also the lipstick is very good. I definitely love this shade and I would definitely recommend this shade if you're looking for a day-to-day lipstick. But the thing that didn't work for me was the foundation because it does not blend well. Also, I would like to try it once again with a proper shade जो कि मेरे complexion को totally match करता हो on my skin, जो बिल्कुल perfectly fit हो. अगर ऐसा मेरे को shade मिल जाता है तो I'll review it again. Maybe because the shade was not compatible with me, मेरे shade से बिल्कुल match नहीं कर रहा था. That is why it was looking weird और blend नहीं हो रहा था अच्छे से skin tone के साथ. So I'll definitely do another check with that foundation stick. But so far, my favorite were the two, eyeliner and lipstick. Okay, so that was all for today. I hope आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कहीं ना कहीं से कुछ ना कुछ वे में यूजफुल लगी हो. एंड अगर आपको यूजफुल लगी है तो आप प्लीज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके जाना. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग टिल हियर. आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू ब्रिंग अप मोर सच वीडियोस ताकि आप लोगों को किसी भी ब्रांड का जेन्युइन फीडबैक मिल सके. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर.